Hey guys, back with another video, and this video we will install Brufest ROM on K20 Pro. So this is having the stock Android look, no changes in that, and it's running on Android 10. Let me show you. So yeah, this is running on the Android 10 build, and the security patch is of 5th April 2020, and the kernel is, let me zoom in. Yeah, so the kernel is Chaldia something, and there are many more customization in this ROM. The theming, lots of customization. The theming one, the status bar, quick settings, buttons, gestures, lock screen, power menu, and all. So you can customize as per your likings. This is also coming with the ANX camera built in, the typical Redmi camera, and I have also overclocked it to 66 Hz. I tried different modes, but the only work was the 66 Hz one. I tried the 72, 81, 69, but they didn't work, so the only work was 66 Hz one. And this ROM is pretty stable in everything. The smoothness is excellent, no problem in that. And let me show you the Geekbench score in this ROM. So the first try, this was the score, and the second try. So the score is pretty consistent. There are no ups and downs in this. The ROM will perform excellent, no problem in that. I played PUBG also, and there were no lags and no stutters in this ROM, so you can install it. And this ROM does not come with the face unlock, so keep that in mind. So let's go and install it now. And this ROM also comes with inbuilt FPS counter, so it will be helpful for you if you play PUBG. So let's go. So just boot into your recovery mode. Before doing this, make sure you take all your backup, because if we run in any boot loop, you have to do a format data. In that, all the data will be lost. So yeah, we are here now. So first of all, go into wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik cache system and data. Just swipe to flash them. After that, take back. Just go to install folder and locate where you have copied your file. I have copied in my USB drive, so I am installing from that. Locate the file. Till then, comment below if you want videos on K20 Pro on any topic. There's the Brufest ROM. Just click it and just drag to install. So my next video will be on Gcam 7. Means I will be showing you the best setting you can do to get excellent dynamic range on it. So make sure you subscribe for that. Yeah, so installation is completed now, and just reboot the system now. Nothing to do. So let's see if it's booted without format data. So yeah, it's not booting now, so we have to do a format data. In this case, just go to wipe. It will take time to touch. Yeah, so go to wipe, format data, and type yes, and just click OK. Just reboot. So let's see now if it's booted. Till then, make sure to subscribe. This was the video on Brufest ROM. Next video will be on Evolution X, and comment below if you want any videos on K20 Pro. I'll make for you, or clocking UI or any other. So that's all for today, guys. You can see the ROM is booted now. I'll be posting a new video on Evolution X update 17th April. So make sure you check that. Bye bye, take care.